I'd like to also kindly remind you that as you go back to your offices and you start to use your learnings here, please make sure that at the end of the day, what you are doing is, of course, you are representing the office of the executive, but at the same time, you want people to see you as a person who continues to create value also for them. I have challenged you, my dear friends, you are a chief protocol officer of your organization. Take that lead. I have challenged you. Office politics is not really politics, it's office recognition. I hope you can influence your office to look at things differently. Also, I'd like you to please do remember there are no difficult people. There are only what is called unmanaged situations. I've written that down already yesterday, and I'm just reminding you, you need to understand the situation. And what is important is that you continue to gain experience in the situation. Don't take it against it. It's part of your history already. If you are able to experience something out of the situation, then you put meaning into it, then you have what is called a learning. Okay? So, hindi mo sabihin, bad boss ko or difficult ang trabaho. Hindi ho. This is part of an experience to toughen you up and put meaning into it. Sabi nga po ng isang noted writer, William Shakespeare, and I totally believe there is no experience that is either good or bad. There's none. Except your thinking that places meaning is what happened to you. And for me, it's such a beautiful thing. Because things that happen to you is neutral. Based on what you want to put there as a meaning, that is the learning. So, I hope you can appreciate from that perspective again. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all in the mind. That is what is important. So, do not feel na mas mahigpit sila, mas mahirap itong situation ko. Okay? Remember, situations can always change. And so, therefore, what is important is to learn to self-talk. I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, my work is not easy. I'm in front of 66 people here. A group does not like to present that they are so siguro pagod na sila mag-drawing, and then I have to present it. I'm full of pressure, correct? But look at what happens. I'm just motivating. You don't feel it, but I'm motivating myself. Really, you have to do this kasi hindi tayo matatapos. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing it. I'm actually talking to myself right now. A split personality ako. Okay. If you want to visit me, that is how to keep your sanity as well. So, what is important is, whatever situation happens to you, it is an experience. The meaning you put into it will help you learn from it. Then you take action, and then your performance is done.